Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm doing a video on this stunning M240i we've currently got for sale, finished in Melbourne Red. So we go around the exterior and also jumping into the interior as well, going through some of the features. Part of this car, you've got your approved used car, so you've got at least your 12 months warranty on there, 12 months roadside assistance and 12 months MOT cover as well. So you've got those lovely black kidney grills just at the front there, and your Bi-Xenon headlights with the headlight washer system. Just move around to the side, you've got this beautiful design on these grey 18-inch alloy wheels and the ferric grey wing mirrors as well. It's a nice option on this car is the folding option as well, so they do fold in when you lock the car. Just moving on to the interior, you've got this stunning beige interior, full leather, the black headliner as well. You've got ISOFIX points for the outer seats for any small passengers. You also get the sun protection package as well, giving you privacy glass on the B pillar backwards. Your front and rear parking sensors on this car. Just have a quick look at the stunning exhaust system. Sounds absolutely fantastic. A surprising amount of boot space in here. You also got split folding seats as well, 60/40 to make even more room, plenty of room for any suitcases for any weekends away. Just jumping into the front. You've got the M240i badging, aluminium pedals. Got plenty of adjustment in the seat as well, part electric with the lumbar support. You've got this lovely carbon effect on the dashboard there, the leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. That concludes the exterior. I'm just going to jump behind the wheel in a moment, but if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now, you've got your automatic headlights to stand there, automatic wipers as well, and your mirror controls and your window controls. You've also got the fantastic Harman Kardon loudspeaker audio system. On this part, digital dashboard here, you can view such information such as your range, your miles per gallon. You also get your different driving modes. This car's fitted with the optional adaptive M suspension, providing just extra comfort on those journeys, and also a sporty setting just firms everything up. You also got the optional high beam assist as well on this car, so great visibility at all times. Your digital radio, multiple connectivity with your FM and your AM as well. There's MIDI inputs such as Bluetooth to keep you connected while on the move at all times. And the brilliant satellite navigation with traffic information on there as well. Should go into the service on this car. It's all up to date, all been fully serviced and stored on the iDrive system. You can see everything in green, and your service history has all been done on time as well. Just move a little bit further down the cabin. Your dual zone climate control keeps both the front driver and front passenger happy at all times, and the heated seats as well, fantastic during those cold winter months, especially on the leather interior. A couple of cup holders just down the front there. iDrive system to control your information, and the sliding armrest. Again, look, another USB port in there as well to charge another device. Just have a look at that stunning carbon fibre effect there. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you'd like to book in for a test drive, you can give our friendly sales team a call on 01270 864 452 and we're more than happy to assist you further. Once again, thanks very much for watching this video and take care.